ball. B is for bee. C is for cat. C is for cake. D is for dog. D is for dog. A B C do. E is for elephant. E is for egg. F is for fish. F is for flower. F is for face. G is for grapes. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. H is for hat. F learn some more. I is for ice cream. I is for insect. J is for jeep. J is for jaguar. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. L is for lemon. J K L. Let's learn some more. M is for monkey. M a mouse. N is for nose. N is for nose. O is for orange. O is for octopus. P is for pizza. P is for penguin. P, let's learn some more. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. R is for ramen. All R is for elves. S is for sheep. S is for strawberries. T is for tree. T is for tiger. R deer. R S T. Let's learn some more. U is for umbrella. U is for Uriel. V is for vegetables. V is for violin. W melon. W is for wolf. X is for Z. X is for X-ray. U V boo. W boo. X and some more. Y is for yolk. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Z